If you've been keeping an eye on what SIG's delivering this year, get ready because the 2025 lineup is packed with power. Whether you're looking for a reliable everyday carry, beefing up home safety, or just want a feature-rich piece for the range, SIG Sauer's new lineup offers serious improvements. We're seeing better ergonomics, smarter recoil control, high-capacity options, and builds ready to perform under real stress. Today, I'm counting down 10 brand new SIGs that every serious enthusiast should watch for. From ultra-concealable carry pieces to full-size precision marvels, we'll delve into what makes each one unique and why these are not just improvements, but mission-ready advances. Stick around because what SIG's unveiled for 2025, you're going to want to see it. SIG Sauer P320 Spectra Comp. From the moment you grip it, this pistol shows it's designed for action. Weighing in at about 41.8 ounces, it strikes that sweet balance, heavy enough for solid control but not so bulky it's cumbersome to carry. The overall length is 8.5 inches paired with a 4.6-inch barrel, providing excellent precision without messing up your draw or movement. Chambered in 9mm, it offers dependable stopping power with gentle recoil, making it a top choice for personal safety or range time. A 21-round mag keeps you firing longer with fewer reloads. What truly sets this model apart is the integrated compensator. It controls muzzle rise effectively, keeping your sights on target for quick follow-ups. The XS series trigger breaks clean and sharp, making every shot feel smooth and sure. The aggressive slide cuts aren't just for looks. They lessen slide weight, enhance balance, and give the gun a livelier feel in hand. Price-wise, you're looking anywhere from $1,000 to $1,800. It's not a bargain, but for those who demand high-performance gear that holds up under stress, the Spectra Comp proves its worth. SIG Sauer P365 XL Spectra. This piece is ready for action right when you open the box. Weighing just 20.7 ounces, it feels light, but still offers a solid grip that doesn't compromise control. The overall length is 6.6 inches with a 3.7-inch barrel, compact enough for concealed carry without sacrificing sight radius or accuracy. Chambered in 9mm, the recoil remains gentle, the follow-ups stay quick, and performance stays steady across every mag. You get 12 rounds on board, offering solid capacity in a slim frame that hides under a shirt or jacket. One standout here is the laser-engraved LX-GX grip module. It has a no-slip texture securing your hand even in slick conditions. The X-flat trigger breaks clean, smooth, and fast, tightening your shot placement when it counts. Slide cuts are deep and purposeful, reducing weight and accelerating cycling. For a piece that blends everyday concealability with premium features throughout, the P365 XL Spectra punches far above its weight class. SIG Sauer P226X 5 Legion. This isn't just a classic, it's a refined precision machine built for those who demand more with every pull of the trigger. Weighing in at 42.3 ounces, the P226X 5 Legion has substantial heft, and that extra weight works to calm and stabilize your aiming. Overall length is 8.6 inches paired with a 4.4-inch barrel that delivers tight groupings without compromising handling. Chambered in 9mm, it's tuned for consistent performance and gentle recoil that's easy to manage. You have a 20-round magazine to keep the action rolling with less downtime between reloads. What makes this build impressive is the integrated expansion chamber cut into the slide. It reduces recoil swiftly, offering faster sight recovery and improved shot-to-shot speed. The AX3 trigger system is fully adjustable and flat-faced, letting you fine-tune your brake and reset. Up top, suppressor height, X-ray 3 sights make target acquisition quick and clear in all lighting conditions, with rear adjustability for fine-tuning. Finished in Cerakote Elite Legion Gray and fitted with custom TXG grips, the whole setup is as serious looking as it shoots. This is a high-end piece with a high-end price, but if you're seeking top-tier feel, form, and performance, the X5 Legion delivers. SIG Sauer P320A XG Legion. This one's built for folks who know exactly what they want: performance, control, and that distinctive Legion feel. Tipping the scale at 36.1 ounces, it's perfectly weighted to stay stable under stress but still manageable for quick transitions. You're dealing with 8.22 inches overall and a 3.9-inch barrel, tight enough for practical use, accurate enough to shoot with confidence. Chambered in 9mm, it runs smoothly with light recoil, letting you stack follow-up shots quickly and tightly. Capacity is solid with a 21-round mag, giving you extended fire with fewer reloads. What elevates this model into the elite category is the integrated expansion chamber in the slide, reducing recoil by up to 25%, directly translating to faster recovery and better control. The all-metal AXG grip module finished in Legion Gray Cerakote paired with Hogue G10 grips gives a solid feel in hand. An Optic-ready slide lets you mount a red dot easily. If you're not the type to settle for halfway builds, the P320A XG Legion performs robustly, hits clean, and stays ready.
SIG Sauer P365A XG Legion Comp. This is what happens when compact concealment meets performance-ready features, weighing 26 ounces.
Flat. The P365A XG Legion Comp hits a perfect balance. Steady enough under stress, yet light enough for all-day carry. With an overall length of 6.6 inches and a compact 3.1-inch barrel, it offers impressive accuracy in a truly covert frame. Chambered in 9mm, recoil remains light, the balance stays tight, and follow-up shots are quick, clean, and controlled. Capacity is strong with a 17-round magazine, providing more readiness without frequent reloading. Up front, the integrated compensator is effective, reducing muzzle rise to maintain target lock with each shot. The alloy AXG grip frame, paired with G10 chevron panels, ensures a locked-in grip that stands up to range use or challenging carry situations. The slide is Optic-ready for seamless red dot addition. The Legion's Cerakote gray finish isn't just for looks. It's built to withstand wear and tear. For those wanting to combine compact concealment with top-tier control, this piece offers a lot of capability. SIG Sauer P365 Fuse. This pistol shows you don't have to sacrifice shootability for concealment. The P365 Fuse combines full-size performance with a compact, carry-friendly profile. Weighing in at 23.1 ounces, it's solid in hand, but light enough for daily wear. Total length comes in at 7.2 inches with a 4.3-inch carbon steel barrel, providing adequate real estate for accuracy without slowing your draw. Chambered in 9mm, it operates smoothly with minimal recoil, delivering consistent hits in tight groups. Out of the box, you receive two 21-round steel mags and one 17-round backup, more than enough for keeping you prepared. The Optic-ready slide accommodates Shield RMSC footprint optics, offering red dot flexibility without extra modifications. The stainless slide with a durable nitron finish resists wear, and the deep serrations are easy to operate under pressure. The grip module is ergonomically shaped, ensuring control, especially during fast sequences. Whether training, carrying, or setting up home safety, the Fuse offers the versatility and firepower to handle it all. SIG Sauer P320 Flux Legion. This piece is a compact powerhouse with the handling of a pistol and the capability of a tactical rig. The P320 Flux Legion weighs in at 49.2 ounces with a mag on board, providing substantial weight for recoil control and rapid sequences. It stretches out to 10.9 inches overall with a compact 3.9-inch carbon steel barrel up front, striking a good balance between stability and maneuverability. Chambered in 9mm, it offers clean, consistent accuracy. With twin 30-round mags included, you'll run longer with significantly fewer reloads. The quick deploy stabilizing brace transforms this piece quickly from a compact format to a fully supported platform. Controls are ambidextrous with a dual mag release, accommodating left-handed users easily. Up top, the integrated compensator tackles muzzle rise effectively, keeping you flat and fast throughout. The non-reciprocating PNI optic mount holds your red dot steady, and the flared magwell speeds up reloads when timing is crucial. This isn't just a novelty gun, it's a versatile, high-capacity platform for serious users who want compact-sized without losing firepower or control. SIG Sauer MCX Spear LT. This rifle runs light, hits hard, and brings considerable flexibility. Weighing around 7.12 pounds, the MCX Spear LT strikes an operational balance. Stable enough for precise placement, light enough to remain mobile. The 16-inch cold hammer forged carbon steel barrel provides excellent durability and rock-solid accuracy, whether you're training, defending, or on patrol. Chambered in 5.56 NATO, you get reliable performance with low recoil impulse, and the 30-round polymer mag keeps you ready without skipping a beat. Fully ambidextrous controls are standard. Bolt catch, release, safety selector, providing lefties and righties with equal speed and access. The flat blade match light duo trigger from SIG isn't just a gimmick. It's crisp, consistent, and built for those who expect each pull to matter. The MLOCO-compatible handguard allows you full freedom for mounting lights, grips, or extras as needed. And the push-button folding stock lets you trim your profile without sacrificing comfort or control. Bottom line, the MCX Spear LT is lightweight, adaptable, and engineered to outperform in any setting. SIG Sauer MCX Spear. This is top-tier firepower from SIG without holding back. The MCX Spear is made for those who demand power, reliability, and versatility without compromise. Weighing 8.38 pounds, it's substantial, yet agile enough for dynamic moves and tactical shifts. Up front, you're running a 16-inch cold hammer forged barrel, chambered in 6.8 by 51 with 113 grain projectiles. This rig's pushing over 3,000 feet per second, delivering significant energy transfer downrange. A major strength of this rifle is its modular design, offering fast caliber swaps between 6.8, 7.62 by 51, and 6.5 Creedmoor. Whether setting up for long-range battlefield tasks or somewhere in between, this platform adapts quickly. Controls are fully ambidextrous, and the non-reciprocating side-charging handle offers rapid, intuitive access without interference. The Matchlight Duo two-stage trigger offers clean, predictable brakes, delivering shot control under stress. A free-floating M-LOK handguard gives you full flexibility for accessories, and a 6-position folding stock keeps it compact for movement, storage, or tight slinging. Finished in rugged coyote tan and built with a durable aluminum chassis, this rifle doesn't just endure hard use, it thrives in it. Whether you're on tactical ops or aiming precision shots, the MCX Spear stands ready to perform at the highest level. SIG Sauer P365X Macro R. This one shows that serious performance doesn't require bulk. The P365X Macro encompasses everything you need in a concealed carry platform within a slim, efficiently designed frame. Weighing just 21.5 ounces unloaded, it stays light on the hip yet offers enough mass to manage recoil and maintain stable sighting. At 6.6 inches long, 5.2 inches tall, and only 1.1 inch wide, it conceals easily, but functions like a full-size rig. The 3.1-inch carbon steel barrel delivers consistent accuracy, be it for self-defense or range practice. Chambered in 9mm, it ensures reliable performance with little recoil. What makes it stand out is the 17+1 round capacity, all without making the grip bulky. That's impressive firepower in a pistol this thin. The integrally compensated slide combats muzzle rise hard, providing quick, precise follow-ups with less effort. X-ray 3-day and night sights come standard, keeping your sight picture sharp in any light. The Optic-ready slide offers red dot options with no modification required, and the built-in 1913 rail allows for lights or lasers as needed. Interchangeable back straps let you customize the grip to fit your hand just right. Whether you're carrying daily or setting up a reliable defense system, the P365X Macro offers elite-level function in a carry-sized frame. That wraps up our look at 10 of the newest offerings from SIG Sauer. Whether you're pursuing capacity, control, or a reliable daily option, this lineup delivers the goods. Let us know in the comments which one you're adding to your gear. If you found this breakdown helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. More reviews, more gear, and no-nonsense content are on the way. Thanks for tuning in, and stay prepared.